Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to create a product launch plan in teamwork.com, your go-to tool for handling project management tasks. Let's get started right away. The first step is to log into your teamwork.com account. If you don't have one, sign up. It's quick and easy. The reason we do this is because teamwork.com is where the magic of creating and managing your product launch plan happens. Now that we've done that, it's time to create a new project. Click on the Add Project button, usually found on the top right corner of your dashboard. You'll want to name your project something related to your product launch so you can easily identify it. This helps us because it allows for better organization and efficiency in planning our launch. Next up, let's add tasks to our project. Click on the Task tab and start adding all the steps you need to take for your product launch. Tasks could include market research, product testing, marketing strategies, and so on. Remember to set due dates for each task. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Teamwork.com is creating a timeline for your product launch, making sure everything is on track. With tasks set, we move on to adding team members. Click on the People tab and start adding your team members. Assign them their respective tasks and set their permissions. This is important because it ensures everyone knows their roles and responsibilities, avoiding confusion and overlapping tasks. Now that the team is set, it's time to set milestones. Click on the Milestones tab and start adding key dates and goals for your product launch. Let me explain why this matters. Milestones give your team a clear idea of what they're working towards, helping keep everyone motivated and focused. Once the milestones are set, make sure to use the Messages tab to communicate with your team. Regularly updating each other on progress and addressing any issues immediately keeps the team dynamic, healthy, and productive. And there you have it. You've just created a product launch plan in teamwork.com. Remember to regularly monitor your project and adjust as needed. This platform is designed to make your product launch as smooth and efficient as possible. Thanks for tuning in today, and we'll see you in our next tutorial. Stay productive.